Good morning, all of you. In the previous lecture, we have done question 1 to 8 of the exercise 4.1. Now, this is a question number 9, that is find the volume of a cube whose side length is A part 17.7 centimeter and B part 23.7 meter. Okay, you have to find the volume of cube. So here is the solution. Part number A 17.7 centimeter, side of cube is given 17.7 centimeter. Okay, and volume of cube, this is the formula of the volume of cube, that is equal to side cube. Okay, side cube. So you have to place a value of the side here, 17.7 cube. Cube means you have to multiply that term 3 times. Okay, so when you will multiply 17.7 into 17.7 into 17.7, the answer is equal to 5545 centimeter cube. Okay, the side was given in the centimeter, so when you will take out the volume, your units will be centimeter cube. Okay, now let's move to the part number B. B part is 23.7 meter. Now side of cube is 23.7 meter and volume of cube is equal to side cube. Okay, so here now you have to put the value of side, that is equal to 23.7 raised to power cube. Okay, or raised to power 3. 23.7 multiplied by 23.7 multiplied by 23.7, that is equal to 13312.053 meter cube. Okay, why meter cube? Because now your side is equal to, side is given in meter, so when you will take out the volume of cube, then your units will be meter cube. Okay, so this question is very simple. This is 9th question, part number A and B. You just have to implement the formula volume of cube in both the parts. Okay, volume of cube is side cube, and then you have to implement the value of the side. Okay, now let's move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is the last question of this exercise. A metal cuboid of dimensions 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter is melted and converted into a cube. What is the minimum amount of metal that has to be added or removed? Okay, dimensions of a cuboid is given. Then they are saying that this cuboid is converted or melted into a cube. When the cuboid is converted or melted into a cube, then you have to tell that how much the metal that has to be added or removed. Okay, this is your cube. Okay, so here I am making a cuboid. This is your cuboid. Okay, so dimensions of cuboid are given to you: 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Okay, means length is given. Okay, and then breadth is given, and then height is given. Okay, 3 things are given to you. Then this cuboid is converted into a cube. So now they are saying that when this cuboid is melted into a cube, now tell me how much metal that has to be added or has to be removed. Okay, this you have to tell how much amount of metal. This cuboid is made up of metal, this cube is made up of metal. Okay, now when you are converted this cuboid into a cube, how much metal you have to remove, or you have to remove, or you have to add. Now this is the solution. Dimensions of cuboid is given to you: 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Now the volume of cuboid is equal to 6 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 11. Okay, volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, I'm writing here, volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Okay, so now this is your length, this is breadth, this is height. Okay, so you have to multiply all the three sides. So your volume of cuboid will be equal to 528 centimeter cube. Now cuboid is melted and converted into a cube. Okay, so nearby cubes are, now you have to tell that this is your answer, this is a volume of cuboid. Now you have to tell two cubes which are very closer to this. One should be lesser and one should be greater. Okay, so here two cubes are there, 512 and 729. 512 is lesser than 528, 528 is this. Okay, this is your answer. Whatever is, this is your answer that you have taken out from the volume of cuboid. Okay, from this 528, 512 is lesser than 528 and 729 is greater than 528. Okay, so now these two are the cubes which are nearby this cube, this cuboid. Now you have to tell, the last step is find the minimum amount of metal that has to be added or removed. So you have to subtract both the terms from this term. Okay, so once we'll subtract 528 minus 512 and then we'll subtract 729 minus 528. Okay, these two terms you have to subtract from this term. Okay, here answer is coming 16, here answer is coming 201 centimeter. So your answers are, that should be in the centimeter cube. Okay, so now 16 centimeter cube and 201 centimeter cube are the answers. Okay, so in the class also I've discussed this thing, that first of all, this is the first step, find the volume of cuboid. Second step is find the nearest cubes. Okay, which are nearest to this 528. Third is do subtraction. Okay, find the difference so that you can take out the answer, that how much metal that has to be added or to be removed. Okay, so this is the question number 10. Okay, so now exercise 4.1 is completed.